Hello friends, now we have to continue our plant life lesson in this uses of plants. How to use plants? We know plants are very useful for us. They give us firewood to burn, they give us food to eat, they give us timber to build houses, they give us clothes to wear, they give us many other things. You see in this picture which things we have to get from the plants like these fruits, tea, apple, all these vegetables, grains, all these things like other things, clothes, medicines, sugar, these all things like wooden things, gum, shoes, oil, all these things we get from the plants. So you imagine, student, how can we live without plant? So next is food from plants. Food from plants. Which food we have to get from plants? You see in this picture, plant give us grains, paddy. This is paddy plant. This is wheat. This is maize, millet. Then plant give us vegetables. This is carrot, turnip, cabbage, cauliflower, peas, tomato, pumpkin. These all grains and vegetables we get from the plants. These are our food. Okay. Next is plant give us also fruits. Which fruits? We know that apple, orange, banana, mango, grapes, pomegranate, gram. This plant give us also pulses. Which pulses? Like gram, urd, tur. These are dal. Other things from plants. Which things we have to take from plants? We get perfumes from plant like rose, champa, jasmine, etc. We get oil from groundnut, coconut and mustard. You can see in this picture, mustard plant give us timber, groundnut. From groundnut also we get the oil. We can coconut also give us oil, hair oil. Our hair oil also make from the coconut. And plant give us, we make doors and windows from timber. You see here our houses doors, no, these doors, windows, some furnitures, it give us from this timber. We make furniture from timber. We use bamboos for making huts. This bamboo, you see, from bamboo plant we have to make our huts. Okay. Next we get gum and rubber from plants. You know gum. This is gum. From where we get gum, and this is tire, rubber we get from the plant. Then bamboo paper. This bamboo, from bamboo we have to make paper. Plant give us dress material also. We get cotton from cotton plants. We get jute and flax from plants. This is cotton plant. You see this cotton plant in your farm. Okay, this is looking like a white in color. Flax, jute. Then we decorate our houses with plants. We keep plants in pots. You see this, like all these plants we have to put in our pots. Next is our dried plants. Dried plants are also useful. They are used for fuel. They are also used as manure. Dried plants. You see this dried plant. From this dried plant, we make food. We have used also manure. The need to grow plants. How to grow plants? We need plants to be beauty our homes. We need plants for shade. We need plants for rain and pure air. We know that. We take oxygen from the trees. Plants gives us oxygen. Okay, that is very important in our life. Without oxygen we cannot live. So we want to grow more plants in our surroundings.